And just hours to go now for Prajwal Revarna to return to India. SIT, remember, has been repeatedly asking him to appear after the sexual harassment allegations against him, with complaints also that have been filed by women who were employed as house help staff with the Revarna family in Karnataka. Remember, India today was the first to access a return ticket, as it appeared, from Munich to Bengaluru. This is the Lufthansa Airlines aircraft and it's scheduled to land by midnight today. Now, the ticket mentions Prajwal Revarna as a business class passenger and has been booked on the same day when he had left for Germany. But amid all of this, the big question remains. When he returns, will he be arrested right away or could he have some days of relief? Karnataka Home Minister G. Parmeshwar, meanwhile, has said he did not have information on the return yet and that action will most likely be taken against him. But it's a political showdown, it's the election season. BJP has now demanded that CBI take over the probe and that the SIT, which is the Karnataka administration, Karnataka police, that shouldn't be taking on this case.
ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್? ಏನಿದೆ ಸರ್?
ಎಲ್ಲ SIT ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಇವತ್ತು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ
ನಿಮಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾರಿಗಿದೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ? ಯಾರಿಗಿದೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ? ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್?
ನಿಮಗಿದೆಯೇನ್ರಿ? ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗಿದೆ? ನಿಮಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆ.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ
ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಇದೆ.
ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಗೃಹ ಇಲಾಖೆಗೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ. ಅವರು ತನಿಖೆ ನಡೆಯುವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ವಿಷಯ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ವಿಷಯ ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ವಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾರ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಸರ್. ನಿನ್ನೆ
ಕೆಲವು ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂತ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಅದೇ ಮುಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ.
To have a fair investigation. See, now even the government is being accused. Government is also been accused. Many of their own leaders, ministers, they are involved in this entire episode. So it needs to be thoroughly investigated. To be a free and fair investigation, the truth should come out. Nobody should be spared. Probably for that, a right investigation agency will be CBI. Now, SIT is more in hand in glove. That is the allegation being heard by every section. So probably to have a fair investigation, for the truth to come out, the CBI investigation will be the right agency. Even I insist that CBI should investigate this entire affair.
So the next 24 hours will be very crucial because remember, while Prajwal Revarna and the family have denied all the charges, saying the videos are all morphed, but serious allegations, not one but several women coming forward to say that they have been sexually assaulted for years and with sexually explicit videos also that have surfaced.